What's going on, everyone? Today we're going to check the gap filter on a 2019 Grand Caravan. And first thing we're going to do is disconnect the damper cord that you have right here on the left side. And we're just going to pretty much lower the glove box down a little bit by pushing the stoppers in on the sides. That'll give me a little bit more room to work with as far as the damper goes. So you're going to grab the cord, pull down on it, and push the glove box, and you can just drop the glove box and have this thing in your hand. And right up here is where the cab filter is located, is in this box right here. We push this clip right here on both sides. The door will actually come off and you'll get access to the filter. Go and pull this guy out, check it out. Alright, well, the filter's not too bad. Probably going to want to order one. I don't actually have one. If you need one, I'm going to leave a link in the description box for the part number, and you can pick one up there too. It'll take you to Amazon. But yeah, I'm going to have to order this one. When you get your new one, just slide it back in here and replace the door, and it just pops back on there. Now you're going to want to grab this damper like this, okay? Then lift the glove box up, and you can just place it back where it needs to go. You can kind of close the glove box up and you're done. Okay, hope the video was helpful. If it was, please drop me a comment, hook me up with a like, and I'll see you guys in the next video.